products اللي هي المنتجات المقاومة للتجاعيد. wrinkles اللي هي التجاعيد the fine and coarse indented lines of the skin of the face are associated with aging. As skin ages, it loses its natural elasticity and becomes thinner, more fragile and laxer, taking on wrinkled appearance. طبعا هاي صرعة العصر، والناس أغلبها بتحاول إنها تحافظ على شكل الشباب، وبالتالي ما بيحبوا التجاعيد تظهر عليهم، مع إنه في عنا أنواع كتير من التجاعيد، منها مثلا تجاعيد الضحك وكذا، لكن الأغلب بيحب إنه يضل جلده مشدود وما تظهر عليه آثار الإيجينج. في عنا نوعين من الرينكلز، أو نوعين من الإيجينج بروسيسز. natural aging اللي هو growth with age، يعني عمره الطبيعي، عمره البيولوجي، و طبعا caused by genetics, gravity, endocrine, immune function, irresistible factors، يعني ما في إله إيد أو contribution أو سيطرة على هاي الأمور. الثاني اللي هو اللايت ايجينج، طبعا اكيد من الالترا فايوليت لايت والتعرض لاشعه الشمس، الويذر، الانفايرمنتال بوليوشن that aggravates the aging process. معنى الكلام انه في عندنا aging internal وفي شيء external، طبعا وهدول الايجينج بروسيس اللي بينتج عنهم ما يعرف بالرينكلز.
Why do wrinkles form? Number 1. UV rays. UV rays destroy collagen and elastin fibers, causing skin to sag and wrinkles to appear more quickly with constant exposure to sunlight. With long-term exposure, UVB burns the epithelium, so the epidermis, slowly causing pigmentation on the skin for up to 2 to 3 days after exposure. UVA penetrates into the dermis and destroys not only the skin stem cells, but also the other components like collagen, elastin, and fibronectin. Number 2, collagen degradation. Once over the age of 25, the degradation rate of collagen becomes faster than the rate it is produced at. If amount of collagen produced in the mid-teens is said to be 100, the amount produced in the mid-20s is 70 and 35 when in your 40s, as aging progresses more quickly as one gets older. In addition, EGF content naturally present in the body starts to reduce starting in your mid-20s, slowing down production of hyaluronic acid, elastin, collagen, and other components responsible for the moisture, radiance, and elasticity of the skin. Moisture, radiance, and elasticity of the skin.
أهم الأنتي رينكل بريباريشنز بتركز على إن نرجع المويستشر أو نزيد المويستشر كونتنت في السكن، نشتغل على الإلاستين، الكولاجين، والهيالورونيك أسيد، لأن هدول هم المسؤولين عن الإلاستيسيتي أوف سكين. أول شيء moisturizing cosmetics. Moisturizing agents currently used pyrrolidone, carboxylic acid salt, sorbitol, glycerol, polyethylene glycol, cholesterol, oleic acid, hyaluronic acid, lactic acid, some microbial fermentation metabolites. Antioxidant cosmetics such as vitamin E, vitamin C, superoxide dismutase, coenzyme Q10، وهذا موجود كتير موجود بالصيدليات، بيقدروا ياخدوه على شكل supplement orally، وموجود في كتير من الانتي رينكل بريباريشنز. زنك سلفيت، فريوليك اسيد، جرين تي، ايديبينون، بوليفينولز، كاروتينويدز اللي هي precursors of vitamin A to scavenge free radicals. Products of cell repairing، يعني بيعملوا ترميم للخلية أو الخلايا البشرة بشكل مستمر، وبالتالي
بيعطي نضارة للبشرة ويشجع على تكوين الكولاجين. فيتامين اي، ريتينويك اسيد، ترتريك اسيد، سيل جروث فاكتور، كولاجين بروتين، بيتا هيدروكسي اسيد، بيتا جلوكان. هدول اكثر شيء مواد تستخدم. اوكي، رح نرجع نحكي فيهم. causes of wrinkles زي ما حكينا قبل، انه هتلاقي فيها عنا الفوتو ايجينج وفي عنا الانترنال ايجينج. في جزء مهم اللي هو السان سكرينز. السان سكرينز من المواد اللي بتعمل على التخفيف من الضرر اللي بينتجه او اللي بيقع على البشرة من اليو في لايت، سواء يو في اي او يو في بي، وبالتالي بيخففوا من الايجينج اوف سكين او الفوتو ايجينج. غير المويسترايزرز الفا بيتا هيدروكسي اسيدز، ريتينويدز، فيتامينز. كان في saying اللي هو an apple a day keeps wrinkles away. We say keeps doctor away. We say an orange a day keeps wrinkles away لأنها بتحتوي على فيتامين A، فيتامين C، فيتامين E. فهدول الفيتامينز اللي هم anti oxidants. other vitamins اللي هم الفيتامين D analogues they have effect on modulating of keratin أو modulation of keratinization. عشان هيك الفيتامين D analogues they are used in treatment of psoriasis اللي هي الصدفية. some hormones like estrogen مثلا topically of 0.01% estradiol or 0.3% estriol containing preparations. هدول عادة شو بيعملوا؟ they act on the epithelium of skin and vagina. فبالتالي they reduce wrinkling. some minerals like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, selenium, zinc, hyaluronic acid أكيد، و natural cartilage polysaccharides من الانتي wrinkle preparation.
Signs of our age are the changes that occur to our skin. Until individuals reach their mid-20s, the skin remains relatively youthful, showing little signs of change. However, as we enter our 30s, fine lines start to creep in around our eyes, and as we progress into our 40s, 50s, and beyond, we are reminded of skin damage from years past, with the development of a rough skin texture, age spots, deeper wrinkles, and sagging skin. This module will help you understand not only why your skin ages, but what you can do to slow the aging process down and how to reduce the signs of aging you may already have. Before you understand how your skin ages, you need to understand what makes up your skin. Your skin consists of two layers known as the epidermis and the dermis. The epidermis, or outer layer of the skin, acts as the skin's primary defense against the environment and prevents moisture loss, which you will learn more about later in the program. The cells that make up the damaged outermost layer of your skin are continuously shed and are replaced by newer cells from deeper layers of the epidermis. This process, known as skin renewal, is what keeps your skin looking fresh and revitalized. In addition to several important structures, the dermis is comprised primarily of a network of collagen and elastin fibers that provides the skin with structure, support, and elasticity. Have you ever wondered why some people look like they are in their 20s when they are actually closer to 40? While many factors contribute to the different rates at which we age, one of the primary reasons we age so differently is due to genetic factors. Just as genes from our parents determine our hair and eye color, they also determine how we age. Your genes control several natural processes that cause your skin to age. Let's take a closer look at some of these different factors. Beginning in your mid-20s, the rate of skin cell renewal actually slows. As this happens, your skin becomes thinner, which makes it more prone to damaging environmental elements like the sun, harsh weather conditions, and pollution, which causes it to develop a dull, rough, or uneven texture. In addition, the network of collagen and elastin fibers that is so important to maintaining the skin structure and elasticity breaks down and slowly diminishes, resulting in fine lines, wrinkles, and loose, sagging skin. Lastly, lipids that form a barrier against water loss in the stratum corneum break down in response to changing hormone levels. The skin's moisture barrier becomes leaky, allowing water to escape the skin, which may cause your skin to become drier with age. The normal aging process can be accelerated by ultraviolet light from the sun causes melanocytes to produce too much pigment, which results in the formation of freckles and age spots. Damage from ultraviolet light also accelerates the breakdown of collagen and elastin fibers in the dermis. This is why people who spend a significant amount of time outdoors without proper protection usually experience deeper lines and wrinkles and greater skin laxity. Even more serious, ultraviolet light can damage the DNA in skin cells and melanocytes, which can lead to different forms of skin cancer and skin aging, include the climate, air pollution, and cigarette smoke. Some of the mechanical factors that contribute to aging include gravity and repetitive muscle movements. If you have maintained a good skincare routine and avoided substantial sun exposure, your skin should look and feel beautiful in your 20s and your 30s. The rate of skin renewal slows, but by exfoliating your skin on a regular basis, you can increase the cell renewal rate to maintain a fresh and healthy glow. By the time you reach your 30s, collagen and elastin fibers begin to decrease slightly. As a result, the first signs of aging may start to appear as fine lines around your eyes and mouth. You may also experience a slight change in skin texture and a decrease in your skin's overall moisture content. Using a daily moisturizer with sunscreen and continuing to exfoliate will help keep your skin looking radiant. If you are looking to improve the texture of your skin, ask your dermatologist about a prescription medication like Renova that can help with fine wrinkling or simply
smoking, pollution, and the biggie, UV radiation from the sun. These factors damage skin cells like fibroblasts, causing them to wonk out in ways that produce deeper wrinkles. And as a bonus, leathery skin.
In response to our desire to reverse time, beauty counters overflow with anti-aging creams based on 4 key ingredients: retinoids, hydroxy acids, vitamins, and peptides. But on the label, you'll see them as retinaldehyde, retinol, and retinol palmitate. But the body don't care what you call it.
Cellular glue holding dead skin cells together, allowing the shedding and revealing of new skin underneath. Alpha hydroxy acids are popular for dry skin because hydroxyl groups attract water and keep skin hydrated. Beta hydroxy acids are popular with the oily types as their love for lipids can break down sebum.
And E aren't just supplements. Cosmetic companies think they're also for your face. The same chemical process that causes apple slices to turn brown also happens to skin. Oxygen used by the body creates unstable atoms called free radicals. These steal electrons and damage DNA, cell membranes, and proteins like collagen. This damages the chemical structure of skin in a process called oxidative stress. Antioxidants like vitamin C and E take one for the team, binding with free radicals and sacrificing themselves before the damage is done.
However, it doesn't always work well in practice. Antioxidants are unstable when exposed to light and air, and it's a pain converting them to a form that gets through skin. Though antioxidants prevent further damage, they won't help you with those wrinkles you already have. Collagen is created and broken down as part of the process of skin renewal. When breakdown is greater than production, we start to sag. Some products add short chains of amino acids called peptides that product makers claim replicate part of the larger collagen protein. These supposedly trick the body into believing it broke down too much collagen, killing the fibroblasts to make more. But it's not clear if these claims are legit.
Now, not all peptides are based on collagen. Some mimic snake venom to paralyze the muscles involved in wrinkle formation. There is a lot of excitement about their potential, though you might not be able to express it if your muscles can't move.
Peptides have shown promise in the Petri dish, but their effectiveness in a product